you're doing amazing. We have this beauty that I would like to unbox on camera. You probably already know what this is. This is Clionadh's 12-day, I think they call it a mystery box, but it's essentially the idea of an advent calendar. It has 12 nail polishes from Clionadh inside, and I snatched it when it launched a couple of weeks ago. I don't know if they still have these available. I know for the first day of Black Friday, after their sale launched, they were giving everybody the opportunity to win one of these. So maybe they still have them available, maybe they come back, but I'm pretty sure these nail polishes are going to be available as singles down the road. So let's get started. You all know I love Clionadh nail polishes, and I love them so much. I'm actually wearing one right now. This is Niello. I don't think the camera's capturing all the shift. This is going teal to pretty much a neutral color. I think you all are seeing the neutral. I do not believe you can see the teal, but it is an absolutely gorgeous, gorgeous, gorgeous shade. So highly recommended, which is part of the reason I decided to pick this baby up. So let's do it. It's all boxed. Yay. Let me just open this. Of course, this is Clionadh's logo, in case you didn't know, but I feel like if you have ever purchased from Clionadh, and ideally if you've ever even heard of Clionadh, you know what that is. So these are all the logos. And here are the 12 nail polishes. Let's open these babies up. So day one, we have, oh beauties. I wish there was a way I could open this without completely damaging it, but oh well, I'm gonna be a kid and completely rip this up. So this beauty is called Forced Flame. Let me move this around to make sure the camera's capturing it. It's sort of a deep green that has a shift of sort of magenta glitter and I want to say red glitter. Number two for us. Let's open this baby up. I can kind of already guess what beautiful color it is. Beauties, I love this. One quick note I need to tell you all is that I love light colored nail polishes from Clionadh. This looks like it has a hue of mint green with tiny glittery flakes from some angles, but very, very tiny, like glitters or specks, and then a hue of sort of very light peach from some other angles going into gold. I can even see light teal holding it like this. Yeah, I love light colored nail polishes from Clionadh. Don't sleep on these beauties. They discontinued gilding and I'm still crying over that. That is one of my favorite colors. I have it, but I'm still upset because that was one of my favorite colors. Okay, beauties, day three. I'm already seeing the beautiful color that's under it. Rose-Tea Toasty. Very nice. So this one does not look like a multichrome. This looks like it just has a beautiful deep mauve, maybe even you can say more of a like a deep pink, but pink mauve base with tiny gold flakes. This is actually an amazing color for Valentine's time. Look at that. So nice, so beautiful. Continuing with day four. This one is Smitten or Mitten. That's cute. Let's see what color this one is. Very nice. So this is a solid burgundy color. Absolutely gorgeous for this time of the year, or honestly even fall. Nail polish number 5 is winter frosting. So I expect this to be like snow, and it totally is. And beauties, this is such a beautiful color. So this is very similar to gilding. This is gilding. Again, unfortunately, gilding is not available. Instead, I believe they've brought Luxe or Hilt. I can't remember which one, but they have a different iridescent multichrome. I have asked Clionadh to do more iridescent multichromes, and they have responded on their Instagram saying that that's a good idea. So hopefully, fingers crossed, they will do more of these. I'm excited to have winter frosting, even if this is not a multichrome, because it doesn't look like an iridescent multichrome, but it looks like literally opal. I mean, it looks like it has a lot of colorful, shifty specks in it. I see a shift of pink from this angle, and I see a shift of green from that angle. Hopefully the camera's capturing all of them. Okay, everybody, continuing with number 6. This one is Festive Pine. And this one is also super beautiful. This is a very, I want to say, pine and fern looking kind of color. I love greens, and you all have been telling me greens look amazing on me, so I'm even loving greens more. So I can't wait to wear this. This looks like such a Christmassy color. So you all can be guaranteed this is going to be what I'm going to wear after I'm done with what I'm wearing right now. So in terms of texture, Festive Pine looks similar to Winter Frost, that it looks like it just has a green base with tiny specks, like glitter specks and shifty specks inside. And in terms of the shifts, I can see gold shifts and pink red shifts, but it's so pretty. And the base color is also shimmery. It's not solid base, obviously. Okay, so excited to do number 7 because I'm feeling something special on the side. And I know what that is. That is one of those magnetic wands that you can use to play with a magnetic nail polish, which tells me number 7 has to be magnetic, and I can't wait to see this. I'm a huge fan of their magnetic nail polishes, beauties. Look at this. If you follow me on Instagram, you should have already seen some of the magnetic nail polishes, photos, and reels I've posted from Clionadh's magnetic nail polishes on Instagram. Let's look at this one. So this one is Candy Cane Lane. So cute, so cute. Such a beautiful frosty pink. I do see some red glitter specks inside. So let's magnetize it and see what we get. Actually, let me hold it on the side, and I'm gonna magnetize. So the magnet kind of brings those red specks to the front, and then the more you hold the magnet, the more of an effect you're gonna get. And the magnet kind of makes it look a little more three-dimensional. It's so beautiful. It's so pretty. Beauties, Candy Cane Lane looks very similar to And Fire, which was their release in a duo as a stocking stuffer. I believe this release is still available, and I think you can even pick it up as singles. So you can kind of see how similar these are. I really don't think you need both of them, although if you're buying this box, then you're gonna kind of get this, but you can give it as a gift if you have it and you don't want it. Let me quickly magnetize these so you can see the effects. So you see how And Fire gives you such a beautiful purple effect. Let me move this around, making sure you can see the purple effect. And then Candy Cane Lane sort of gives you that red. Between these two, I prefer And Fire. I love purples. So what can I say? Okay, let's continue with number 8. This one is Toboggan, which is such a beautiful deep teal. It's a solid color, absolutely gorgeous. I also can't wait to use this. I love these kinds of colors on my nails. Number 9 is Crystal Cavern. Another super pretty glittery. I think this is a topper, but you know, with any topper, you can use it as a nail polish. This I'll probably use as a topper for some of the solid colors that came in this collection or in this mystery bundle. And this is so beautiful. So the base color is a very light white with a hint of teal. You can see purple and pink and silver glitters throughout. I'm seriously hoping camera's capturing all of these glitters, because if it's not, I would be so sad. This is such a beautiful color. We're approaching the end, everybody. Let's do number 10. This one is Waltz of the Flowers. Is that something from Nutcracker, Waltz of the Flowers? I can't remember. And this is such a beautiful duochrome. Well, actually multichrome. So you have the magenta or purple magenta base with a shift of gold and a shift of green. Such a beautiful color. Hopefully the camera's capturing all these shifts. I feel like I keep saying hopefully the camera's capturing all these shifts, but I really hope that. Number 11 is Shiver. And this, I believe they said this is a holochrome. And I'm so excited to have a holographic shade. So from some angles, I see a cool tone gray. And from some other angles, I see a glaze of dark blue. And I can't wait to use this shade. Definitely a great color for winter. So maybe I'll keep this for after Christmas. And last, beauties but not least, we have past the Glamberry sauce. Oh my goodness, beauties. Cranberry sauce that we made for Thanksgiving was just so bueno. This is such a beautiful glittery shade. You know what? This kind of reminds me of their dimensional multichrome collection. So if I didn't know what this is, I would have guessed this is a dimensional multichrome color turned into a nail polish, because it has all of those glitterinesses and it looks like it would be a little bit chunky, which is the texture for the dimensional multichrome eyeshadows. I see a very prominent magenta shift going into a purple shift. Again, very prominent at the center. These could just be glitters. And then on the side, I see gold and green. I'm looking in the viewfinder, but my viewfinder is small. Hopefully you can see that, because that is just so pretty. Yeah, very, very beautiful shade. This is also a shade I'm so looking forward to using. Okay, beauties, that's it for the 12-day advent calendar from Clionadh for nail polishes. If you like these kinds of unboxing videos, give this video a thumbs up. Let me know in the comments below if you picked up either of these two 12-day advent calendars that's released from Clionadh. Thanks so much, beauties. I love you all. Have an amazing day, and until next time. Bye.